How to buy PENGU, the Pudgy Penguin token. So before we start, this is not a financial advice. I am not a professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now, as you can see, this is their X account. Make sure to take a look at it. As you can see, they have a big community of 500,000 followers. Now, to be able to buy this token is by going and open it in the screener. So if you don't have an account, just go and make an account on it. Now, after that, just copy the token address. As you can see, this token is under Solana network. Now go and open your funds wallet because this is the best choice to buy this kind of tokens that came under the Solana network. So after that, log into your funds wallet. Now click on swap and make sure you have enough Solana on your wallet. Now after that, click on here and paste the token address, as you can see, to be able to find the right token. So after you find your token, just click on it, and as you can see, you'll be able to buy it. Just go and open or enter how much you want to buy Solana. So after you enter the amount that you want to buy, this is how much you will receive, and this is the information of the transaction. Now click here and select Jupiter as a provider, and after that click on swap, and they will redirect you to the Jupiter provider to be able to complete the buy process. Now after that, if you face any problem in your buy process, just go back and click on here to be able to like switch between these on slippage. So after that, you will be able to buy this token without any issue. So this is how to buy the PENGU, the Pudgy Penguin token. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.